Hi everyone, it's Rhonda. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're all here. I will show you my design team project for the Paper Cameo today. I made this sweet journal. It started out with a book page, and then I made this envelope, just like a tuck envelope. And there's just a little booklet in there. And all of it will go inside this folder that I made using Nicola's papers. They're gorgeous papers, and I just love that color. It's like a peachy pink to me. So first, let's go through the journal. It's so pretty. Here are the kits that I used. I don't think I used any other kits than these. Romance journal kit. I think there's two. I only used number 1. And then Divinity Pink. But I'll list them and link them below for you if you're interested. You just click on the link and it'll take you right to the kit. So we can open this up now. I actually found the pinky peach ribbon to go with this. I just love this image. You'll see her throughout. And I like that image as well. Inside this belly band is a journaling tag card. Okay. And then in this little side, a journaling card. And then I added these vintage rhinestones. A friend of mine from years ago gifted me a little rhinestone bag that had fallen apart. So I thank Amy for that. And she gifted me a lot of things, but that I use over and over, and it was already deconstructed. So in my style, there's so many different styles of journals, and I tend to use digital and original papers, so you get a little bit of both, because original papers are so neutral, and the digitals just add color. Another tag card. Here's more of that rhinestone. And then this is another tag you could write on in that pocket. Here's more of the rhinestones. It's a sweet little journal. I love these center pockets. That's going to be my new thing. And then I just made a little booklet, like I always do. And pull up my sleeves a little bit. And here in this pocket is a tag. It's just some recently I bought this beautiful lace. It's not old. And I applied it on a card. And then I made this little booklet here. You could clip things in there, store things in here. I think that opens up. Yep. And then in the back is another little pocket. I should make more of these. They're adorable. Here we go again with the, there. So we'll stick those back inside. And this lace stretches, which I love. I love stretch lace. Here is another little pocket of lace and another tag. And then another journaling card. And then here is some ephemera, antique French book page. And then I bought several pads of these from Monahan Papers from Stephanie, and I'll link her website below. It's like a French order sheet. Lemonade, cafe creme, chocolat. Yeah, a real fun piece. I'm expecting an order from her website real soon, and I'll share that with you. Well, I thought that was so pretty. And I love just adding a little ribbon and rhinestones. And in this little side tuck is some Italian Florentine paper, a little booklet. And then this pocket has another little booklet with my favorite image from this kit. Just a little booklet. And places to journal. I added that fussy cutted image in that in that frame. I just thought she went in there perfectly. And that's the journal. A lot of little surprises in there. And I'm not even going to pretend this will tie the way I had it. I'm just going to tie it quickly for now. And then I'll show you. Oh, that's not bad. Can't tie it the same way twice. And then in this little pocket envelope, it's just another little booklet. I won't open it up. It's just, well, I'll open it up. I copied this idea from Heather of Ruby and Pearl. Actually, the truth is, I wanted this page in this journal, and she didn't make it in after I had sewn it in. So I just decided I'll make another booklet. So there's some tea stained papers and these cherubs. Yeah, just a fun booklet. I love that picture right there, that image. It's very pretty. And there is my design team project. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you found some inspiration. And I will be back soon. And take care, everyone. I appreciate you all.